Click on settings here on your Samsung tablet. On the left hand side, scroll down until you get to this option here that says lock screen. Click on screen lock and biometrics. In here, you now have the option to set what lock screen you want. Let's go ahead and select PIN. And then you have to make sure you remember this PIN here. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit next. We're going to use it anyway. And again, we just have to repeat the process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit OK. And now you have a PIN lock. Let's go ahead and lock. Turn this back on. And then you just have to enter your PIN here that you just set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit OK. And now you're in, just like that. To remove that screen lock, go ahead and click on screen lock and biometrics again. You now have to enter the PIN that you just entered, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit continue. Now you can go ahead and select this option here for none. And now you no longer have a lock screen. We lock the tablet, unlock it, and then we're back in.